Hi guys, this is Sabanathan from YouTube. Today we are talk about the special top 5 items. That is, today we talk about only for shoes and footwears and recycling of shoes and footwears. Um, Top 5 companies of Adidas, Nike, Puma, and nearly Skechers, and also some companies are top level. Top level. They are earns billions and they has a stores of thousands of stores indirectly it also selling and indirectly it also selling their products, and but they sell the total products, and they did not get a plan to how the footwear is now is recyclable and reusable. Now I am explained that if footwear of one is wasted or unusable, you buy new one. The old one is wasted in your house or home. Give a charity or Clean for Africa. Some websites they donated by the shoes and footwears like, and use local recycling industries and make artifacts also. If you think intelligent one, you can make different and usable items. If we make the elasticity slippers like elastic rubber, reuse to rubber and to make them some other products of also. uh, and one more thing is that the industrialization of shoe market is expanding very muchly, but some of the industries is also closed in one side. Some of the new industries also build new types like mini size industries also very tough to the branded shoes. Some branded showrooms sell their shoes to the customers, but most of the customers they not interested to buy that costliest level of shoes, because they had the money of mostly middle class people is there. They use only affordable prices, like Sketcher brand companies use the footwear to affordable prices, and other some other companies also giving the some of the affordable prices. Mostly sports footwear is most costly in these brands. Mm. So middle class people is aims to buy only cheap and best and cost uh, affordable cost shoe footwears buying. And one more thing is if we put the shoes under elasticity rubbers in the ground, it is not easily recycled by not degradable, not easily degradable. It is a very tough to very toughly one to degrade the land. It's a recycling one. If you put the one shoes in the land, it is present at least 20 years, 10 years. It's a band system is always is there the land. You can think and use. If you put one rubber chapel in the land, that is not degrading until many years. If you use it or give the charities, or else put the put it to the proper dustbin, like plastic waste dustbin. If you put it that in, they can recycle it, else it is very harm to the land. If you put it in the land, it is harm to the land. Okay, today video is over. Bye bye, see you. This is Sabanathan.